So this video is about how to say the sound A, as in train, great and day. It's a diphthong and it's made up of two vowels, so E and E. So we start with the sound E, as in bet, and then we raise the tongue up and finish with the sound E. So E. But we don't say it like that. We have to make it sound like one sound. So we glide from one sound to another. So it sounds like this. A. So maybe try this sentence. Today is a great day to stay and play. So what happens with some learners is that they overpronounce the first sound, or they make it sound a bit more like ah, so it becomes like white instead of wait. And some learners will just say instead of a, so it will sound more like wet instead of wait. Can you say this sound? I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, check out some of my other ones, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you for watching.